So you want to move to Germany through an Ausbildung, right? That's awesome because it's one of the easiest and most realistic ways to start your career and life in Germany. But here's the thing, most people get rejected or stuck halfway just because they don't know the process or can't speak enough German. In this video, I'm going to show you how to come to Germany legally through an Ausbildung, what qualifications do you need, and what mistakes to avoid. Hey everyone, I am Imtiaz and I help expats and international students learn German fast and move to Germany confidently. I have been living in Germany for last 6 years and I have seen so many people who started their life in Germany through an Ausbildung. So let's break it all down. No boring stuff, just clear practical steps you can follow. Step number 1, understand what Ausbildung actually is. In a simple sentence, Ausbildung is a vocational training program in Germany, and throughout the Ausbildung, you work and study at the same time. You get paid monthly, gain hands-on experience, and after finishing the Ausbildung, you can get a full-time job in Germany easily. There are Ausbildungsprogramms programs for healthcare, IT, hospitality, mechanics, retail, electricians, and much more. Literally thousands of options. Step number 2, check if you are eligible. Now, to apply for the Ausbildung in Germany, you generally need at least 10 to 12 years of schooling. That's like a high school certificate. Then the second most important thing you need is German language skills, at least B1 level. Then the next thing, you need a motivation letter or CV in German, and sometimes proof that your qualification is recognized in Germany. And let me tell you something super important. Many people underestimate the German requirement. Even though the official minimum is B1, but some companies prefer B2 because you will be working with German people, customer or patients every day. So if you're thinking, I'll just learn some basics and go there, I will be honest, it doesn't work that way. If you cannot speak German confidently, then you will struggle during the interview and later on in the workplace. Step number 3, learn German the smart way. Now here's the good news. You don't have to spend years to learn German. I have created fast-track online German courses from A1 to B1 that are exactly made for people like you who want to move to Germany for Ausbildung. You will find them all linked in the description. Each course helps you speak German confidently, understand real-life German, and pass your exams faster. So by the time you apply for the Ausbildung, you will already sound like you have been in Germany for years. And trust me, this little investment will save you tons of frustration later. Step number 4, find the right Ausbildung program. Once your German is ready, go to websites like makeitingermany.com, arbeitsagentur.de, and ausbildung.de. There you can filter by profession, region, and requirements. Pick something that matches to your background or interest, and try to always check if foreign applicants are accepted or not. Step number 5, apply the right way. Most companies expect a CV in German, a Motivationsschreiben, or in English cover letter, and your language certificate B1 or higher. You can send your application directly to the company. And finally, step number 6, get your visa and travel to Germany. After getting accepted by your company, you will receive your Ausbildungsvertrag. That means basically your training contract. And with that, you can apply for the German Ausbildung visa at the German embassy in your country. At the embassy, you will typically need your passport, your training contract, proof of German skills, your B1 certificate, financial proof, and health insurance. And once your visa get approved, you can finally officially start your new chapter in Germany. So now you exactly know how to move to Germany through an Ausbildung. But remember, your German skills are the key that unlocks everything here. And that's why I have created step-by-step A1 to B1 German programs that make learning German simple, structured, and fun. So check the links in the description and start your German journey today.